What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia.Darling. As you can tell by the title of this video, I will be doing a tutorial on a DIY Locs refresher. But before we hop into it, do your girl a favor. I would love for you all to comment down below. Let me know what other type of DIY videos you would like to see me do as far as creating my own hair and beauty products. Also, if you're new here, I create content related to my locks, lifestyle, health, and fitness journey. So if you're interested in that type of content, then go ahead and subscribe because baby, you definitely want to join this community of like-minded individuals. You all have seen me use the concoction in this spray bottle in a few videos, and I was on live recently last week and chopping it up with some of the girlies. By the way, hey y'all, thank you for joining. And one of the young ladies asked for me to create a tutorial on how I make this Locs refresher. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I did not come up with this entire concoction. I actually got inspiration from a TikToker. I'll make sure I include their information in the description box below so you can check it out. But of course, you get inspiration, you kind of tweak a few things and make it your own. So I'm just going to show you what I use for my locks and also provide the benefits to each product. So first things first, you definitely want to get you a spray bottle. You can get this size, you can get a smaller size. It's whatever your preference is. I just use this size because of how often I keep my locks refreshed. So it's really up to you. You can get this kind of bottle from a beauty supply store or like Sally's. The different products that we are going to be using today to make this concoction is first, Aloe Vera Juice. Aloe Vera Juice promotes hair growth, controls dandruff, reduces hair frizz, strengthens your hair, and it's also a natural conditioner. So this is why we are going to be using this as basically one of the main ingredients. You can get the aloe vera juice from a local vitamin store. I know I got this from the vitamin shop if I'm not mistaken, but I would recommend going to like a health and wellness store that carries natural ingredients. Maybe your local grocery stores as well may carry this. So just do some research and see who has the most natural, meaning no additives, aloe vera juice, and then go ahead and copy one. Get your spray bottle. And now when it comes to measurements, y'all, I normally gauge it, but just follow along as much as you can, okay? You want to have majority of the concoction being aloe vera juice. Again, gauge the measurements per your preference. Next, we have the holy grail, vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is an amazing growth aid. The glycerin seeps into the epidermis of the scalp and softens it from within. It strengthens your hair, and as a humectant, it plays a major role in moisturizing your hair. It also prevents hair from breaking. So those benefits are perfect for someone who just wants to keep their locks refreshed, help your hair to retain moisture, and since it has the benefit of preventing breakage, this is perfect for the girlies who have color in their locks like myself. So you definitely kind of want to gauge with how much you use. You don't want to use the same exact amount as the aloe vera juice, but I would recommend at least pouring enough in there. So for me, I'm going to stop it at the 150 line, which is right here. Alright, so this is how everything is looking right now. As you can see, the vegetable glycerin is sitting at the bottom, but once we add in the different oils and everything and shake it together, it will mix perfectly. Now you want to add in a natural oil. What kind of natural oil is based on what your goals are and what your hair needs, right? I'm going to first add in some carrot oil. The main reason I'm using carrot oil is because it helps to revitalize your hair. So because we're creating this concoction to refreshen our locks, of course I want to use an oil that adds revitalization, okay? I got this carrot oil from a local store owner, so you can really just find, if you want to use carrot oil, you can just find a natural carrot oil from a local beauty supply store, you know, or like a supplement store, anything like that. Just if that's what you want to use, okay? So for the oils, gauge it, right? You don't want to do too much, but just enough. So I'm going to show you what I do. Oh, well, I'm gonna use the rest of this bottle. It wasn't even a lot in here. Now we have the aloe vera juice, we have the vegetable glycerin, and we have the carrot oil. Okay, I'm going to add one more oil, and of course I have to add this oil because of all of the amazing benefits. We are going to include Jamaican black castor oil. It helps to thicken your hair, increases hair shine, controls hair loss, treats dandruff, boosts hair growth, and also repairs split ends. So if you were wondering, yes, Jamaican black castor oil is the holy grail. I mean, if you haven't used it, baby, definitely get on it. I definitely add more castor oil than I do any other oils because I really want to obtain all of the benefits from this oil, okay? So just watch here. Now, castor oil is a thicker consistency, if you did not know. And, oh, is that pouring on the outside? Oh, no. Making a mess, y'all. I'm just going to rub that on my scalp right now. Castor oil is a very thick oil, so just a heads up. This is definitely an oil that you do want to mix with other oils just because of the consistency of it, all right? So now that we have all of our products mixed together, this is our concoction. So now we can go ahead and shake it. And this is how it could possibly look. Now let's apply the concoction to our locks. So first I'm going to show you, well, I just added the castor oil that was dripping on the side right here. But if you can see the rest of my hair, you can see how it's kind of dry. And it could definitely be refreshed right now, right? See, my scalp is kind of dry and everything like that as well. This is the perfect opportunity to refresh it. I like to intentionally spray my roots first. That. And I just go all throughout my hair following this method. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all how it's looking right now. Y'all see how nice and refreshed my roots are already looking? Like, come on. It's not as dry as it was. It brought life back to my hair. Y'all see that? Now, when you spray your locks, you don't have to do too much. Again, this is just to make sure that your locks as well are hydrated, okay? So, I just go like that. Just go throughout. Massaging your scalp helps to stimulate hair growth. So at any moment that you have the opportunity to do it, please do. That's a bonus tip. All right, loves, so that is all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I actually had fun doing this, so I definitely am going to incorporate these style of videos more into this channel. So thank you so much for recommending that I do this video. Again, y'all, don't forget to comment down below what type of DIY videos you want to see me do, and I got y'all. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you all have an amazing week ahead, and I will check y'all in the next video. Bye.